Welcome to Lesson 8 of the Breaking Cycles series. Lawlessness, how lack of structure fuels cycles of chaos and addiction. Now, what is lawlessness? Lawlessness is not just rebellion. Lawlessness is the absence of structure, order, and internal governance. It shows up as lack of discipline, lack of boundaries, inconsistency, impulsive decisions, emotional instability, living without clear direction. Lawlessness is not always loud. Sometimes it looks like doing whatever you feel in the moment, avoiding responsibility, lacking routine, and having no system for your life. And over time, lawlessness creates chaos. Because where there is no structure, anything can take control. Let's have an awareness why lawlessness sustains cycles. You may have understood your root causes, worked on your identity, become more aware, but if there is no structure, you will struggle. Why? Because freedom cannot exist without order. Lawlessness keeps cycles alive because there are no boundaries to protect you. There is no system to support you. There is no consistency to stabilize you. So even if you want to change, your environment and habits will pull you back. Awareness says, I don't just need awareness, I need structure. Let's carry out a reflection exercise, recognizing lawlessness. Example 1. You don't have a daily structure. How? You wake up without a plan, you move through the day randomly, you end up in vulnerable situations. And the result? Patterns repeat easily. Example 2. Emotional reactivity. Emotional reactivity. You feel something, you act immediately, you don't pause or reflect. What's the result? Impulsive behavior. Example 3. No boundaries. You allow constant phone access, triggering environments, and unhealthy interactions. What's the result? You stay exposed. Example 4. Inconsistency. You start strong, then you stop. Then you restart. Then you stop again. What's the result? No lasting change. Lawlessness creates instability, and instability feeds cycles. Now, how do we replace lawlessness with structure? Step 1. Acknowledge where you lack structure. Ask, where in my life am I unstructured? Is it in my time, habits, emotions, environment? You see, clarity reveals the gaps. Step 2. Create simple daily structure. Start small. Build a morning routine, a clear plan for your day, and a night routine. Structure reduces randomness. Step 3. Establish personal rules. Create non-negotiables. Here is where you create non-negotiables. I don't use my phone after a certain time. I don't stay in triggering environments. I pause before reacting. You see, rules protect you. Step 4. Practice self-governance. Before acting, ask, is this aligned with who I am becoming? Pause. Choose intentionally. This builds internal control. Step 5. Stay consistent. Not perfect. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. How? Show up daily. Follow your structure. Adjust when needed. Consistency builds stability. Let's have an identity connection. Lawlessness distorts identity. It makes you feel out of control, inconsistent, and unstable. But structure restores identity. When you live with discipline, boundaries, and intentional decisions, You begin to see yourself as reliable, in control, and grounded. You move from chaos to clarity. Let's conclude what it means to overcome lawlessness. Overcoming lawlessness means you bring order to your life, you create structure around your growth, you stop living reactively, you start living intentionally, and when structure is in place, chaos reduces, stability increases, patterns weaken, because your life is no longer open to disorder. Let's make a declaration. Say this slowly. I bring order into my life. I choose discipline over impulse. I create structure that supports me. I am consistent. I am grounded. I am in control. I no longer live in chaos. I live with clarity and intention. See you in lesson 9. Good luck.